So we have the sweet Italian pork sausage, onions, ground beef. I think I got a little too much in here, but I don't think it'll go to waste today. So we're just going to heat that up just a little, and then I'm going to add a tomato mixture. In this I have 1 can of Rotella, which gives a little kick, a little flavor, but it's not spicy or overwhelming. I have petite diced tomatoes and crushed tomatoes, and I mix it all together, put it in here and let it simmer. So you want to thicken up the sauce a little. And then we're going to add a little garlic butter to get a little more flavor, and some Parmesan cheese. You don't want to add the cheese until last. This way it's not sticking to the bottom of your pot or all your utensils. I also use it for a garnish also. And then when the sauce is cooked down a little, we're going to add beef broth to it, which makes it soupy. And then what we do is we put the noodles in a cup and then add the soup to it. I never put the noodles in the soup since they turn to mush. All my noodles, whatever soup I do have, I always pre-cook them either the day ahead of time or that morning. When I take them off the stove, I run them under cold water, we call shocking. It stops them from cooking. So this way, whether I'm making a stir fry with penny pasta or soup, it keeps the noodle nice and firm, and it doesn't turn to mush. It's always best to add the noodle after you, or right before you start serving your soup. How's yours, Colby? Okay. We're going to add a little chicken broth to yours. Then once we get this to steam a little, now we know it's not going to burn. Then we'll dump the chicken in. I use rotisserie chicken. I buy just the breast. And then we shred it and we put it in. It has a little bit more flavor than if you were to just throw regular chicken in. And this you can also do ahead of time too. Just gonna, I'm used to cooking for a large group, so you can always scale back. If you want to make a big pot, it freezes nicely, but don't freeze it with the noodles.
Thank you.